Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking and Craft. What I do is that I help you develop your crafting skills no matter the level you've attained and no matter the level you want to attain. I help and assist you in attaining that. I'm here today in my personal workshop right now, not the general workshop, in my personal workshop. And what I'm going to be showing you today is an offer for my online shoemaking courses that is live. The course is now live, but today I want to show you how I've been able to permanently fix this sole, this very sole to this sneakers you see in here. These are high top sneakers, so whenever you want to have something like this, definitely be so sure that when you go to the online course, you're going to see a full detailed course of this. But today I just want to show you how I'm going to be attaching this sole and how it's going to be stitched, how it's going to be attached to this sole. So for the full video of this, just go, there's a description below, go in there, click it, and it's going to navigate to where you're going to take a full course on how you can get this done on your own. This is a product of Octozi School of Shoemaking, so watch it and learn how to get it stitch cement to the hopper. Okay, we come in here to do this. Okay, so I come like this, I drop it this way. Since we have the two out right now, the two is out, as you can see, standing upright, that way. So what we're going to be doing right now is to come over here to stitch it around, and stitching it around, I'm going to be needing my wool, my shuka, and the fishing line. I prefer white. I want to go around. Continue the same thing around it. I'm going to continue the same thing around it. Okay. Make sure what you're stitching is tight. It's tight. Knot it up, come in here again, and maintain the good gap around there. Okay, at the front end here, you need to pull all the shuka wool in it very well, so your hand can really reach the tips of it that you will be using the shoe fishing line to hook, because your hand might not eventually want to get to this point in here, so you have to pull the sugar way in before you can get access to the head tip of it, so you can hook it. Doing the same thing to this again, putting back the excess, and then I'll come over here to up from the tip. At the time you keep coming down in here, it's going to be a bit comfortable to fix, because it has come in here. This is the edge, this is the height it can be. When you start coming up down in here, it's now getting closer to your reach. Continue replicating this. Round it. So now, getting close to the edge, so you have to be conscious of the gap going to be adding up to the edge, because when we're done, the point at which it's meeting should not be obvious at the first sight. Come in here and we'll get this done to it. We come right where we start, we come back to that point. Then pull it on it. Yes, it's been pulled on it. You come again. Yeah. Going on it again. There is the first line we did. Here is the first stitch we made. Here is it. So we're going to come over again to have a not overheat. Yes. Okay, doing that right now, and go again for the second time. It's going to have complete knot, fully knot up. Yes. Okay, again. Okay, fully knot it up right now. Okay, that is it. So you come in here this way, instead of the regular thing why we have it here and just pull it in. I'm not going to pull it in. I bring it up like this. Okay, here is it. I turn it around. I can try to turn it around twice. Just put it in this way, and then I get a knot. It's been knot. You can see there's a knot there. Then put it in. Doing that once, I can extend it again to do it once again. So the stitches will have been knots. Doing that again right now. Pull it in, pull this up, let it go round, and then it comes in this way, and it's in again. I pull it in again. So right now it's set. I then come to disconnect this disconnector. I come in here, inside here, this way, to disconnect the one in here too. Disconnect. Okay, checking it right now. Checking it around. It's been stitched round. Stitch round. So what we're going to do right now is, after we stitch the two, it has been stitched round. Okay. At the point you have it stitched like this, you can get to wear it to anywhere, in water, other summer, winter. You can get to where it's not going to open. It's not going to open. It has been stitched round. So as you've seen the way I've stitched it, thank you so much for clicking in. I'd like you to give me a thumbs up for this video, and I'd like you to subscribe if you're not a regular subscriber on this channel. And while you're subscribing, always click on the bell button. Click on the bell button so you have a notification of a subsequent upload on this platform. As I said, what I've just shown you is just an off cut. Just clicking the sew to this is just what I've just shown you in a complete course. I have a complete course of this project at my website, the schoolofshoemaking.com, a complete course of this. So go in there. There's a link in the description of this video. Go in there, click it, and you're going to land you to where you can take a full course of this fully HD. That is what you get on my courses. Thank you so much. Never stop learning.